The next concept in plant growth and development, the next hormone, that is ethylene. It is also called as ethene. Ethylene or ethene, generally it is a gaseous phytohormone. So ethylene is a gaseous phytohormone. Next, it is synthesized by breakdown of methionine. So synthesized by breakdown of methionine. Methionine breakdowns into formation of ethanol. What is it? Ethylene or ethene. Next, site of production, site of synthesis. Mainly two sites. One is where the cells are undergoing aging, that is senescence. So cells of aging, nothing but senescence. So where the cells are undergoing senescence, that particular place ethylene will be produces. Next, ripening of fruits, ripening of fruits. At ripening of fruits, ethylene will be produces. So next, functions. The first function is mainly, which is promotes senescence, that is aging. It means fruits or leaves or flowers, they are becomes to older. Fruits, leaves and all the body parts, they are becomes to older, that is senescence. That senescence process is promoted by ethylene. Next, promotes ripening of the fruits, promotes ripening of fruits. This is based on ripening of fruits. Ripening of fruits done by ethylene. Two scientists said these functions, mainly Sarah Dowd. So this said Sarah Dowd. Next, so promotes senescence in plants, which is helps by ethylene. This information said the scientist Sarah Dowd. Next, ethylene also helps in promotes ripening of the fruits. This information given by, that is Crocker, by Crocker. Next, third function is elongation of petiole and internode. Elongation of petiole and internode in rice mainly. So in rice plants, generally rice plants are mainly, we are providing water to the crop. The leaves are there, comes and floats on the water. So the leaves are they are enlarged and they are comes out from the water to perform photosynthesis by the help of the petiole elongation and as well as internodal elongation. The rice plants, there comes out from the water, there floats on the water to perform photosynthesis. Next, breakdown of seed dormancy. Breakdown of seed dormancy. So these ethylenes are mainly break down the seed dormancy by improvement of the metabolic activities in seed. So improve metabolic activities in seeds. So metabolic activities are enhanced by the ethylene. That's why that seed germination also will be takes place. So in seed, breakdown of seed dormancy to it is ready to germinate. Next, which is helps in germination of the seeds. Helps in germination of seeds, mainly in groundnut. Mainly in groundnut. In groundnut seeds, the ethylenes are helps to germination. So groundnut seeds are germinated by the help of ethylene. Next, sprouting in potato. So helps to sprouting in potato. In potato plants, we are observed scars. The scars are mainly ices. Each ice produces small bud. The small bud produces leaflets, nothing but small lets. That is sprouting. Sprouting means that small plantlets are arises from the potato, which process is under controlled by ethylene. Ethylene helps to promote sprouting in potato. Next, ethaphone. Next, ethaphone. Ethaphone is a chemical substance which is another form of ethylene. Ethaphone is another form of ethylene which is available in our market. Helps to ripening of the fruits. When it is a aqueous solution. It is mainly aqueous solution. Aqueous solution. This aqueous solution, when we kept in under unripened fruits, later that unripened fruits are become to mature or ripened. So ethaphone is a liquid solution available in market. Available in market. When we kept unripened fruits, we are kept this solution or this ethaphone in between the unripened fruits. That unripened fruits are changes into ripened. Unripened fruits are changes into ripened by the help of ethaphone. Ethaphone is another form of ethylene. Next, promote flowering in cucumber. Those flowers are female flowers. So formation of female flowers in cucumber. In cucumber plant, more female flowers are produced by the ethylene. In cucumber, more female flowers are produced by, that is, ethylene. Next, flower helps to flower setting. Helps to flower setting in pineapple. So ethylene, which is helps to flower setting in pineapple. In pineapple, the arrangement of the flowers is done by this ethylene. Next, when we use this phytohormone ethylene in overdosage or overproduction, result to some side effects. One is thinning of cotton balls in cotton. One is thinning of cotton balls. Next, thinning of walnut. Thinning of walnut. So when we use overdosage of ethylene, we are observed side effects. One is thinning of cotton balls, the cotton quality is reduces, walnut also becomes too thin. These are the two side effects where when we use overdoses of ethylene. This is the information about ethylene. So in next class we are talking about another phytohormone, that is abscisic acid. So one more thing, this ethylene is a mixed compound. It means mixed phytohormone. It promotes some regulatory functions and it is involved in inhibitor functions. Ethylene is both. They control both type of functions. Growth regulator act as a growth regulator. It is act as a growth inhibitor. In some cases it is act as a growth regulator. In some cases it is act as a growth inhibitor.